In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Mirror My Video setting in Zoom so you see your video as others see it, unmirrored rather than the mirror view. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, the process is quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open the Zoom desktop application on your computer. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you aren't already signed in. It's important to ensure you're on the desktop app since mobile and browser versions of Zoom might have different interfaces and not all features. Once logged in, take your attention to the top right corner of the Zoom app. Here, you'll find your profile picture or your initials, depending on your settings. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where we can get into the finer details of how Zoom is set up for you. In the Settings menu, you'll see various tabs on the left-hand side. What we're looking for today is the Video tab. In some versions of Zoom, this might be labeled as Video and Effects, so if that's what you see, don't be thrown off. Click on this tab, and you'll be taken to a new section where you can see all the video settings available. Now, the goal here is to find the setting that's labeled Mirror My Video. In some instances, this might be called horizontally flip your video, so keep an eye out for either variant. Once you've located this setting, simply uncheck or deselect it. By doing this, you're telling Zoom to stop mirroring your video feed, allowing you to see your camera in its real orientation, just as everyone else does during your Zoom meetings. And that's it. With this quick adjustment, you can now close the settings window. Your video camera preview will now show your real orientation rather than a mirror image. This should make your Zoom experience much more aligned with how others perceive you during your calls. This small setting change can make a big difference, especially if you're sharing visual content or want to make sure everything appears as intended to your audience. Remember, this is a personal preference. Some people prefer the mirrored view, as it can feel more like looking in a mirror. But knowing how to adjust this setting gives you the flexibility to choose based on your needs. Whether it's for professional video meetings or casual calls with family and friends, having this knowledge empowers you to present yourself exactly as you wish. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you with more tips and tricks in the next video.